1989 Chevy pickup. It is a very badass truck, just to let it be known. And I'm going to show y'all my system, 112-inch dual with my Pioneer head unit, and let's see how it sounds.
Yeah, and I'm a gun flowing, total.
This is it. Very much of a badass truck. Very, very badass. Here in Jasper, Alabama. Doing it big around here. Playing no games with them. Mag wheels. Just got them. Looking clean on them. 1500. It's got a 350 instead of the small block. I got the big block. Got the glass pack, dual exhaust, tailgate, looking good. Got the Chevy stickers on the back, old spare. That's about it for it, guys.